Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. So this is how to create a classic cryptocurrency flyer. Firstly, you change your unit to pixel. You can use any unit, but I prefer pixel for social media flyer. Then the sizes I used here was 2000 width by 2000 height. That's the size I used. So you can use any one you feel like. Then firstly, you double click on the rectangle tool to get into your workspace, and then you change the color to blue. I use this dark blue, navy blue, and then you import your background image. Just do Ctrl+I, use it to take it to your file, and you import the background image. So this is the background image I used. Okay, you can get it online, just download it online. You can just download any kind of cryptocurrency background image. So you fit it into your workspace, into that box there, fit it, let it be fit very well. Then you go to your transparency tool to reduce the transparency, drag it down, drag it a little bit up, you drag it a little bit up again. So just to reduce the transparency, drag it again a little bit up, drag it, then you reduce the okay, drag it a little bit up again. Then go back to your pick tool. Drag it a little bit, let's drag it a little bit down. Then you click to your pick tool. So guys, the next thing here to do is to go to your rectangle tool and draw this shape, this rectangular shape, kind of square shape. Draw it, drag it. Okay, then drag it down a little bit. Go to your pick tool. Then remember, anything you do, you have to be picking that tool. That's the essence of it. Then let's drag it a little bit down. Then you go to your color it to white. Then remove the outline to none. And then you right click, go to convert to curve, click on convert to curve, double click, and then click on that down part, then node, click on it to move that node. Then you go under there, right click to curve, then drag your arrow down, drag it down, drag it down. Drag the other arrow, go to the upper side, click on it, and click on right click and click on to curve. Then drag it down a little bit, drag the other arrow, drag it, okay, drag it a little bit down. Then you drag the other arrow a little bit down, resize your shape. The upper arrow, drag it a little bit down. Okay, remember, whenever you make any mistake, just click on Ctrl+Z. That's how to reach or undo what you've done. Then that's it. Resize your shape. Let the pointer be there, like let it point very well, because that's where to be pointing the contact. Okay, then do Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, that is copy and paste. Then you color it to the orange. Then you reduce it I'm sorry guys, I'm doing this part now is live video because I just want you guys to understand it very well. Okay, this is a live video now. Okay, reduce it, then that's it. Then you go to your rectangle to draw your rectangular shape again, add it down parts, draw it, drag it a little bit wide, reduce it a little bit, that's the width, reduce the width a little bit, click back to your pick tool, then copy it, color it to white, go to your color palette and click on white color, then you remove the outline to none, and then you right click on convert to curve, double click on it, then right click, click on that edge node to remove the node, then right click on to curve, and then drag you see the two arrow there, you drag the other one a little bit, drag it a little bit up, drag the other one a little bit down, yeah, then the edge there you drag it up a little, yeah. So guys, this is a live video, so I'm just doing it so I can be able to understand it more better. This part is live. I'm video recording, like I'm videoing while designing with my I'm designing and then videoing with my phone. So that's it guys. Then yeah, you highlight that curve shape and click on order, go to order, click on to front of page, click on to front of page, it will be on top of the. So guys, next thing here is to copy your background image, do Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V to paste it out, then remove it out, reduce it, yeah, let's increase it a little bit, okay, then you right click, go to power clip inside, and then click inside that white curvy shape, then you go to the editing mode side, click on it and then shift the background image a little bit, let it cover the white curvy shape, you drag it a little bit, okay, yeah, you drag it, that's it guys. So you drag it, reduce it a little bit, then you go to your rectangle to draw this shape, click back to your pick tool, then you color it to this dark blue, remove the outline, you colored it to dark blue, then we go to the outline, remove it to none, change it to none, then you go to your effects, go to effects, then you go to 3D effects, click on page call. Can you see that? When you click on that page call, you see they have different options. Just click on the last option, because we want the down part to be, you see, then click OK. It's now kind of a folded. Then you click, do Ctrl C, Ctrl V, that is copy and paste, change the color to orange and reduce it a little bit, reduce that orange one a little bit. Yeah, choose it a little bit. Okay, yeah, then that's it. Design it very well, let it be fitted very well. Okay, then yeah, yes guys, so Guys, so this is the end of this video. So this is how to create a cryptocurrency flyer. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.